Dublin Airport recently experienced an overwhelming surge of visitors, with a staggering equivalent of 10% of Ireland's population passing through its gates over the past weekend. However, the current transportation options of cars, taxis and buses are ill-equipped to handle such a massive influx of passengers. To address this challenge, Dublin Airport urgently requires an implementation of a dedicated rail and mainline rail connections. A purpose-built metro and rail line will provide a fast and efficient mode of transport by bypassing road congestion and ensuring a smoother journey for travellers. Additionally, establishing mainline rail connections from various parts of the island would offer convenient access to the airport, catering for passengers from all over the country. These transportation upgrades would alleviate congestion, enhance accessibility and contribute to the airport's overall efficiency and success. Investing in an integrated transportation network for Dublin Airport is essential to accommodate a growing number of passengers and improve the overall travel experience. Integrating a metro line with mainline rail connections to Dublin Airport would significantly reduce traffic congestion, alleviate strain on existing road infrastructure, and create a more sustainable transportation system. Furthermore, these improvements would enhance accessibility for both domestic and international travellers, attracting more tourists and business travellers to Ireland. By fostering economic growth and ensuring a positive experience for passengers, Dublin Airport would solidify its position as a premier travel hub and strengthen its role as a vital gateway to Ireland.